So whilst it's really sad not to see these shafts being capped, it's absolutely fantastic to see the fencing around them replaced. I mean, this is so recent that you can still see the spray paint marks on the ground. This has clearly been done this winter, and I mean, it's perhaps quite easy for a child to climb over that fence with the wire the way it is, but it's better than what was there before, which was nothing, and that's a good thing. There is a debate about old mine shafts. This one looks as if it's been backfilled. I'm not sure that there's a void there, although there might be. It's very hard to tell with the density of the thicket on the top. There is a perverse sort of logic behind mine shafts in that actually by fencing it off, you draw attention to the fact that it's there. Whereas actually, how many people would go for a wander in the thicket and the gorse if there wasn't a big fence there that said danger, keep out? And actually, there is an argument to suggest that for some of these features, actually fencing it off draws more attention to it and increases the risk of somebody wanting to go in there and have a look around. But yeah, I mean, it's fantastic to see the new fence around it and the signage there to stop people falling down the shaft.